This video is about microorganisms and allergens found in foods that cause foodborne illness. Topics covered are microorganisms that cause foodborne illness and allergens that cause foodborne illness. Microorganisms, also called germs, are bacteria, viruses, or parasites that are too small to be seen without a microscope. Some microorganisms in food cause diseases and are called food pathogens. One common foodborne pathogen is a bacteria called Salmonella. Another one is a virus, the norovirus. Allergens are very small proteins that are found in food and can cause allergic reactions in some people. Both microorganisms and allergens are both able to cause foodborne illness if the conditions are right. Two ways to cause foodborne illness are cross-contamination and cross-contact. Cross-contamination is the accidental transfer of food pathogens, bacteria or viruses, from one food to another or from a surface to a food. Cross-contact is the accidental transfer of food allergens from one food to another or from a surface to a food. Transfer of pathogens or allergens may occur when two foods touch each other, called direct contact, and when equipment, hands, and utensils are not cleaned or gloves are not changed in between handling two different foods, called indirect contact. Food temperatures are very useful to control the growth of bacteria. The temperature range from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit is known as the temperature danger zone, also referred to as TDZ. At this temperature range, bacteria grow very fast. Most harmful bacteria and viruses are killed when food is cooked to the proper temperature. For example, chicken should be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, while pork needs to reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees, and ground meat must be cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 8 common foods known to have caused 90% of all allergic reactions. Called the Big 8, these are milk, eggs, soy, wheat, fish, crustacean shellfish, peanuts, and tree nuts. Food allergens are very small proteins naturally found in food that can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Even the smallest amount of food protein can cause an allergic reaction. Like bacteria, viruses, and parasites, these particles cannot be seen, smelled, or tasted. However, unlike bacteria, viruses, and parasites, protein particles cannot be removed by keeping food above or below the temperature danger zone. Allergens cannot be cooked out. Once a food item is in contact with an allergen, it can cause an allergic reaction. After eating the crustacean shellfish, a man died from foodborne illness in Tennessee. Knowing that he was allergic to shellfish, he ordered chicken. However, the chicken dinner contained a small amount of crab meat. Mixing shellfish in with the chicken happened due to cross-contact. Cross-contamination and cross-contact are easy to prevent. Here are a few rules. Stay home when sick. Sanitize kitchen equipment and utensils between and after each use. Keep cold foods cold. Cook foods to high enough internal temperatures. Hold hot foods at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Never leave food in the temperature danger zone for more than 4 hours. Reheat foods to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or higher within 2 hours. Throw away food items held at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 or more hours. Cold store RTE, also known as ready-to-eat foods, such as salads, fruits, and lunch meats, above raw meat, fish, and poultry. Use separate preparation areas, equipment, and utensils for allergen-free foods. Remove gloves, wash hands, then change gloves often when preparing and serving food, before handling allergen-free foods, and after handling foods containing allergens, the Big 8. Review Module 3 in Chapter 2, Safe Food Temperatures of the Integrated Food Safety Training Manual for more information and to review before taking the quiz for this module. This video is an educational component of the Food Safety Training Manual. Funding has been provided by the USDA.